Hello guys, last time we showed you how to make this clown hat. Do you think it looks nice? This time round you're going to show you how to make a puppy. Look at that. Yeah, this is nice little puppy with this long tail. It's possible to make this with a balloon, right? And we're going to show you just how. So remember how to twist the balloon to make this clown hat. We showed you last time. You just make some allowance there, then you pinch it and you twist. Don't let go, because if you let go it pops. So you twist it like that. Then you bring this other end like that. You also twist it, pinch and twist. Then when you hold these together, just twist them together like that. And there you have a clown hat, just like mine, alright? So you need this little pump like we showed you last time, because blowing this with your mouth is quite hard. Could you try it, Jen?
But you already tried that.
It's kind of hard, yeah? Alright, so this is a purple balloon. With this pump, it's much easier. Look at that. Always nice practice to leave this little tail here, so that when you pinch a balloon, any excess air goes in there, right? And your balloon will not pop. Also, your fingernails shouldn't be so long, otherwise again the balloon will pop.
How do you do it? I don't know how to make a dog.
I'll show you just now. I'm being knighted by Her Majesty the Queen, Meghan. So my name moving forward from today will be Sir Jeffrey. Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. I'm killing my dad.
But next time we'll show you how to make a sword as well, so that I can be properly knighted by Her Majesty the Queen. This is not a sword, it's just a balloon. Alright? Oh, that one blew. If the balloon is not the best quality, sorry. So we're going to try and do that again.
Your nails are too long.
Or maybe my fingernails are too long. Let me try again.
Now who's Judge,
We
take
need a
me
bit of space here. Then here, like that, for excess air. And you try and tie it up.
Now I can make my own.
Oh, right, there you go. So guys, this is what you do. So we want to start with the ears. So when you're making the ears, just make a little space here, like that. Then pinch that space. That much should be enough for the ears. Then hold it so that it doesn't, pop like that. So once you pinch it, are you following Jet and Megan? Do you have that knot? This is for the ears. Then you make another one just like it, the same size. And hold them together.
Hey, stop going that fast.
Alright. Then for the ears, alright, okay. Make another knot, twist and turn, then another twist and turn, like that. So you have these two will become the ears. Then now you can hold them together like that and twist them together. Okay, so these are like the head and the ears. All right. Do you have that already, guys? Does it look pretty?
It does.
All right, guys, we all made the dog's ears and the head. All right. So next step is to make the legs of the dog. All right. So stay with us. So this is what you do. Follow me, guys. So use like your hand to measure that much. Then twist and turn from here. Pinch it and twist and turn right there. Okay. And hold it like that. Then make some more space just like that. Same size. Pinch it and twist and turn. Don't let go. Goodness. Pinch, twist and turn like that. And then now you hold it together like that. And then I'm going to hold this, all this, and twist it around like that. Alright, so these are the front legs. You have the neck, the head, and the ears. There you go. So we are now going to make the body and the rear legs, and we leave some tail. Alright. This is how it looks. Coming up very well. So this is the head, the ears, the neck, and the front legs.
The nose.
Look at what we have so far. Project is going on just fine. The pink dog, purple dog, yellow dog. What do you think we should make next? Of course, the rear legs. Alright. So for the rear legs, you do the same thing we did here. Just hold that much with your palm. Then you pinch and twist. Then again the same. That much. Twist. Then put it back like that. Now I'm going to hold all this part. I'm going to twist it all together from here. Around that much. To make the rear legs. Alright. There you go. There's my puppy. The little tail. The back.
Like this?
Yay! Megan, you're doing it very well. Carry on. Yeah, just and don't let go of this. But them. And lots of puppies here.
Just needs
Yellow puppy.
Let me help you with the basket.
What do you guys think? Check out our next video. We're going to make some swords and we will see Her Majesty the Queen Megan knighting me to become a Sir Geoffrey. Alright, so we hope you enjoyed this video.
That's Sir Geoffrey.
Sir Geoffrey or Sir Wolf?
Right
Alright?
Lights are.
At your service, Your Majesty. We'll see you in our next video. Ciao.